So the question is, find the exact value of sine alpha if cosine alpha is equal to negative square root of 2 over 4 and alpha is in the third quadrant, okay? So again, we take a note of this phrase, alpha is in the third quadrant or quadrant 3. So if we try to plot it, okay, so again, this is 0, this is pi over 2, this is, so this is pi, and this is 3 over 2 pi, and this is 2 pi, okay? Now, it says here that the angle alpha is in the third quadrant, so it's here, okay? Now, let's go to this one. Cosine alpha is equal to negative square root of 2 over 4. So what does it mean? So cosine alpha is equal to negative square root of 2 over 4. Okay? Now, by definition of cosine, it is adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay? So meaning, we have this. So hypotenuse is 4. Then we have adjacent side, which is this. It is negative square root of 2. Okay? Now, what we're looking for is sine alpha. Okay? Now, we know that sine alpha, by definition, is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay? So, what we need now here is the opposite. So, this is the opposite. And we don't know what is the opposite here. So, we need to get the opposite side by using the Pythagorean theorem. Okay? So, what we have now is 4 squared is equal to negative square root of 2 squared plus y squared. Okay? So we have now 16 equals, now this one will become 2 plus y squared. So y squared now is equal to 14. So therefore, y is equal to square root of 14. Okay? Now this is our opposite side now. Okay? So we're going to put it here. Okay? So sine alpha now is equal to, now the opposite now is square root of 14. Then over, the hypotenuse is 4. Okay? Okay. Now, since it is in the third quadrant and as you can see that y is going down, so meaning this is a negative value. Okay? So if we try to write it properly, this is a negative value. So sine alpha is equal to negative square root of 14 over 4. Okay? And this is our answer. Again, take note of the sign. Again, it is mentioned that it is in the third quadrant. So we expect now that the horizontal value and the vertical value are both negative. That's why here we put a negative value. Okay? Just like this one. Negative. Okay? So that's it.